I'm here with personal injury attorneys Mike Love and Sam Johnson with Mike Love and Associates. I've noticed watching TV that there are quite a lot of ads for attorneys out of Houston or the Dallas market, some of the larger cities. Does it make a difference, Sam, especially if somebody is injured in the East Texas area, to go with a local firm like you guys?
Oh, absolutely. There are benefits that start just with understanding how the wreck happened. For instance, if it's a wreck that happened here in Lufkin, we may know the intersection and know how the wrecks happen there, what ends up causing wrecks there. We may know which businesses around that intersection have surveillance cameras that we can get the footage of the wreck itself. And then as the case moves forward, we know the healthcare providers here in this area that are actually willing to be involved in treating someone who was hurt in a car wreck, because there are many doctors who will not treat a patient that has an ongoing car wreck claim because they don't want to be involved in it. If the case goes all the way to filing a lawsuit and goes to trial, we know the local court system. We know the local rules that apply to these courts and how these courts manage their docket. And so there is an advantage from the very moment that you call and we're trying to figure out what happened in the wreck, all the way through as far as that case goes. The advantage is so much so that out-of-town lawyers normally will hire a local attorney to help them with all of those things. But the problem is that out-of-town lawyer doesn't know what all they need help with. They don't know all of the different things that the local attorneys do, and they don't necessarily know which lawyer to call locally. And so the best idea is to hire someone here for a wreck that happened here, and especially if you live somewhere around here.
We've had clients that have fired their out-of-town lawyers and come to us to help because the out-of-town lawyer just didn't know what to do. You can't help them find a doctor. They're like, oh, well, you're on your own. Go find your own doctor or go do that. And that's one of the things that we can help bring to the table in that kind of situation, as Sam pointed out, is we know the doctors that are the best for different kinds of injuries and that'll work on car wreck cases.